Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to hide featured image in WordPress posts. So let's get started. So once we have done that, as you can see right here, we have in here our posts that we have created on our WordPress. So you can see right here that I have this featured image. Now, if I want to actually hide it, I need to head over in here on my dashboard, scroll down until I can see the option for plugins and click on this add new plugin. Now, once you have clicked on that, it will direct you to the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. So click on this search icon and then search in here for the conditionally display featured image. So let's search in here for that. Now, once you have searched for this, you should be able to see some search results related to this. Now, you can see this conditionally displayed. This is what we're looking for. And then from in here, click on this install and activate. Now, once you have done that, it will install this particular plugin. And now it's been installed. So let's head back right here to our post and let's refresh this. And then once you have done that, next thing we need to do is to click on this edit post that we have right here. And then it will open the block editor of our post on our WordPress. Now on this block editor that will open, you should be able to see in here the image. So from here, click on this particular image. And you can see in here the option for the block as well as for the post that you have right here and everything that you have for it as well. Now you can see in here this display featured image in post list only, hide on singular views. So when you click on this and save this progress, it will actually hide this particular image on your post. So for this one, let's head over and see in here a preview of a post that we have actually done. And when you scroll down right here, it actually takes some time for this to actually load. So just head over and refresh your site until this image has been removed or hidden. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.